Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming platform and required app. This matters because widget formats differ by OS. Once done, install the widget host or launcher and grant widget permissions so the system can display animated content. Next, prepare your GIF source. Use a local file, a URL, or log into Giphy to save favorites. You should organize GIF into a folder or playlist. That makes selection and updates much faster. Make sure files are appropriate size to avoid lag. You now open the widget host and add a GIF widget template. Templates set dimensions and behavior, which is why you pick the closest match. Then link the GIF source, upload the file, paste a direct GIF URL, or choose a saved Giphy item. This connects the visual asset to the widget. After linking, adjust display options like size, position, playback speed, and looping so the GIF fits the layout. Also set refresh or cache rules to control bandwidth and startup lag. You finish by placing the widget on your home screen or dashboard and locking its position if the host provides that option. This prevents accidental moves. Then test playback, watch for battery impact, and monitor memory use. Those checks reveal whether you need lower resolution GIF or fewer loops. If the widget fails, clear the widget cache, reduce GIF resolution or file size, and relink the source. These steps often resolve stuttering or missing animations. Finally, restart the host to apply changes.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.